Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Bitget. First, head into your Binance application and then click the wallet icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. After clicking it, it will open this screen. Click the Spot tab and then click the Withdraw button. After clicking the Withdraw button, it will show you all the crypto available for transfer. Now select a token that you want to transfer and then click it. After clicking it, it will show a pop-up window where you have to send via crypto network. For this video, we want to use Bitget wallet, so let's head into our Bitget app. Inside our Bitget application, you will see all mainnets in the top right corner of the screen. Click this all mainnets and then switch to Tron. After opening the Tron interface, you have to copy your Tron address, which is above the balance amount. After copying it, go back to our Binance account or Binance application. And then as you can see here, we have left our transfer or transaction screen open. I want you to input or paste your Bitget address in the crypto address input box. After pasting it, select network where you have to select Tron and enter the amount you want to withdraw. After finalizing these details, you have to withdraw or click the withdraw button and confirm this transaction. When you're making a transfer, you need to pay the gas fee in a specific coin. So make sure that you have enough of that coin before you initiate or complete this process. And that's how to transfer from Binance to Bitget, and thank you for listening.